Hi guys, it's your girl Kalmer. I have exam on Monday, I have exam on Tuesday, I have exam on Wednesday, and the notes are so much to get. But guess what? Today we're going to look at the history of salt industry without reading much. So this is economic history, and we're going to look at the history of salt industry. I have a simple technique that I want to share with you all. I'm actually studying right now and I want us to study together. Okay? So I'm going to show you all a simple technique that has helped me and it will be of great beneficial, great essence to you all. So the history of salt industry is not that much, but it's kind of long a bit. So what I do is to highlight the keywords. Once I know the keywords, then I can write a whole passage. So let's get to it. Here we are. So I'll start by writing history history of Sierra Leone. Okay, but we are going to look at the salt industry. So we are going to look at the salt industry. To know the salt industry is quite simple. It is very, very simple. I'm going to show you a technique. So what I do is I'm going to read for you a sentence that is, it's a little bit funny, but let me read it. Emily's parents, Sheila Patrick mother, and Thomas Urans. What do you understand? Emily's parents, Sheila Patrick mother, and Thomas Urans. So if you look here, this is Emily's parents, Sheila Patrick mother, and Thomas Urans. So what I did was I extract every first letter. Emily E, parents P, Sheila S, Patrick B, mother U, Thomas T, and Urans U. So the reason for this is for you not to forget how to go about writing the essay on the salt industry accordingly. So now we're going to look at why this is important. The E stands for essential diet. Take note, essential diet. The P stands for principal importance. The P stands for principal importance. The S stands for scarce commodity. Okay? The P stands for production coastal lines. The M stands for manufacturing method. The T stands for trade of exchange, and the U stands for uses. So if you know this, I bet you can write a whole essay on the salt industry. So now let's explain for simple or better understanding. We said the E stands for essential diet, right? So what does that mean? Salt was an essential diet. In writing your essay on the industry, the salt industry, the first thing you need to note was that salt was an essential diet, and salt is still an essential diet, right? The second is principal important. It was important. It was very important. Scarce commodity. It was scarce in other parts of the country. Production. It was only produced in the coastal lines. M, manufacturing method. There were two methods of manufacturing salts. The first is the extracting the mango leaves from the mangrove trees, and when they are being extracted, they gather them in a container to obtain the salt through shaking. They gather them in a container to obtain the salt through shaking. And the other method is the evaporation of seawater. The seawater, they trap them in a large hole under the sun for evaporation to take place so that the salts can be removed from the dirt. And the next is trade-off exchange. Here we say the production, it was only being produced in coastal lines, so that means it was scarce in other parts of the country. So the coastal lines people use salt as a trade-off exchange to those people where salt is scarce. So barter system, right? They give salt, and in exchange they give them valuable commodities. And the last is uses of salt. Salt, of course, we know its different uses: preservation, medical purposes, and the last one I think is domestic consumptions. So this is all you need to know on the salt industry of Sierra Leone. With this, I am sure you can write a multiple passage with just the key words which I have highlighted. Bye bye. I hope you found this very important and useful. If you truly do, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, so next time I send a video, you'll be the first to know. Bye bye.